we were very detailed earlier, so we're doing kind of a review to bring everything together. How we got here, we were the individual behavior team. We identified a number of behaviors this morning and then prioritized the top 3 based on experience, knowledge, challenge in the transformations. We went ahead with the framework and this matrix that we showed earlier. We mapped the methods from that framework to the behaviors. The colors on our chart indicate the 3 different behaviors that we have. One is basically the control, command and control, or the disruptive is the second. Thank you. And then the third is the person that I call non-collaborative, or the introvert, the individual developer who is not used to doing team, peer programming, or work. We went ahead and we plotted those methods by behavior, and what we came to was kind of a revelation that for sustainable growth, which was part of our acceptance criteria, you're seeing a whole lot of identification and mapping in this top left of the quadrant. So the red was one of our behaviors, the yellow was another, and the blue. And predominantly, part of that changed behavior relies on the teaching, as well as these other methods within that framework. And we've got a summary analysis up here. I'm going to give to Kamesh.
Thank you. So for our own understanding, we try to plot all the methods that we have here on this plot, and you see 3 different colors representing where the focus was when we were trying to address a behavior change. Now, the revelation that Nadine talked about, that all the effort mostly focuses on the growth versus outcome. If you look at this one, we didn't plot all those growth areas in one, but each axis represents one area. And for the green, the blue, and the red one, you see, for each behavior change, the focus remained different. 2 things could happen, that out of many coaching engagements you do, and a lot of behavior change exercises you do, you may come up with areas which are more frequently appearing in your behavior change exercises, engagements, or there could be areas which don't even align. So that could give us different understanding of this. Now, the framework application that we talked about here comes as part of the entire cycle, where first we identify what behavior needs to be changed before even we attempt to change that. So we discuss about a whole lot of details about interviewing and all this, and how we identify the behavior that needs to be changed. Then establishing the coaching alliance. Only when we get the permission from the coachee and establish the framework with them, alliance with them, then we start applying the framework. After we have applied the framework that we talked here, we come up with the validation, keep the coachee engaged and as well as accountable. And then either we depart or keep the cycle going. That's it. Thank you.